Okay, good evening, everyone. Good evening. You can hear me, type in the chat box. Hi, Joshua, Stanley, Ziqiang. Hi, Ziqiang. Valerie, Picatima. Wow, very long never see Picatima here. Very good. Okay, good to see you here, Picatima. Mark, Ping Ming, Alienware, Gazelle, Brian, Simon, Aishan. Okay, good to see everyone here today. Event is open to public. Okay, let's do a recap of our SOP right now. Okay, we have some new way to do our MEE right now. Okay, so first part of the session, of course, we're gonna do the disclaimer. Okay, whatever I share with you all today is for education purpose. But yes, if you understand, okay, so we're gonna do our market outlook. Okay, do a market outlook already. After we do our market outlook, we will talk a little bit about action points. Okay, what are the learning lessons that we can learn, with it about the market, about psychology, about life in general. Okay, then lastly we will look at the individual stocks. What are the stocks we look at, Palantir, whatever stocks they have a chance to look at. We'll look at a few stocks over here. We will do away with the ranking. We will do away with the polling of the stocks, because the polling of the stocks end up is always the same stocks. We will do away with that. So basically 3 parts, right? Market outlook. Okay, market outlook. Then next one is some learning. Okay, whether about trading or about whatever philosophy and things like that. And lastly, about your individual stocks. Okay, right? Yes, if you are good to go. Okay, let's get started. Okay, so how you all feeling today? Bitcoin is 82,000 right now. How are you feeling today? Okay, that's now the post is I don't think it's harsh lah. It's just fact, right? How many of y'all bought BTC in the last few this whole year? Ever bought some type BTC? We bought BTC in the last this whole year. Okay, good. Okay, fantastic. Okay, those who have bought, congratulations. Those that still can buy, good luck to you. Okay, don't want to say anymore already. Say until see it already. Okay, but congratulations for those that bought. Okay, Bitcoin at a lower price. Okay, so right now let's go to the market outlook first. Market outlook first. Market outlook again. S&P 500 weekly chart. Okay. Weekly chart is, we will go through quickly. Okay, we'll not take too much time, because most of the time is a repeat. Yes or no? Most of the time is a repeat, so I don't take too much time. Weekly chart is up or downtrend. Oh, downtrend, uptrend, very good. Okay, by now you all should know we have been uptrend since November 2023 and continue to remain uptrend. Type yes if you all can see that. Okay, type yes if you all know there is uptrend beforehand. Yes or no? Since then you have up about 32% already for the weekly chart. Okay, next daily chart. Daily chart is up or downtrend. Daily chart is up or downtrend. Also up, right? Okay, candlestick turn rate. Okay, there was a take profit over here. Okay, which we locked in the profit over here on candlestick turn rate, and then later part now the green arrow appear. Over here, green arrow appear again. Okay, this is not an entry, because there's one entry here with TIFF. Okay, there will be the 2 days before. Okay, this one no entry, this one is an entry. But yes, if you understand, 3 to 9 months trade. Okay, for position for swing weekly is about 1 month trade. Okay, weekly 1 month trade. We did have a pullback. The pullback is not deep. Okay, so if the deep pullback is not deep, we won't buy over here lah. Yes or no? Because the CCI did not drop below 100. It did drop to 10 MA, which I mentioned that the trend is strong. So it did drop into 10 MA. However, because the CCI did not drop below 100, may not have entered lah. Okay, type yes if you understand. Any question if you don't understand? Type any question if you don't understand. All understand, right? What we're talking about, long term, 3 to 9 months, 1 month, all understand, right? Okay, last one is position daily. Position daily is about 1 week outlook. 1 week outlook. Before the election, the market was a bit unsure. Yes or no? We have the price drop below the 40 MA, unsure. Okay, but after that, the price rally up. Actually, this is not very healthy. Okay, usually I will prefer the price to be above the 40 MA lah. Okay, so right now the price go below 40 MA and rebound again. There is no setup again. So in the 1 week trade, no trade. 1 month trade, no trade. 3 to 9 months trade, yes, there's a buy signal 2 days ago on Thursday. 1 year trade, we have been holding the position. We are up 32% already. That yes, if you understand all this that I talk about. Okay. Okay, what is the moving average? The moving average here is 20 and 40 MA. 20 MA and 40 MA over here. Okay, the CCI, standard setting is 20. We change the standard setting to 5. Okay, 5 CCI. Okay, 5 CCI. Okay. Okay, Ethan, got your answer. 20 simple moving average, 40 simple moving average. No question. We go to the next part. We go to NASDAQ. NASDAQ, we want to look at the long-term again, long-term weekly chart. Weekly chart, uptrend, downtrend, uptrend. Since this period time is already uptrend, and we are up about 60%, 64%, and we remain up. Yes or no? Okay, Naveen agree, right? Yes, we remain up. No long-term, don't need to do anything. Just hang on. We are up 62%. Shorter term, 3 to 9 months straight, we exit. This one didn't exit. But yes, if you agree, candlestick turn rate didn't break below the low, continue to hold. So this arrow here is not arrow number 1. This arrow here is 1, 2, third arrow lah. Oh, third arrow. 1 arrow with teeth, second arrow with teeth. Oh, sorry, fourth arrow with teeth already. Fourth arrow with teeth. Okay, but here no exit. Oh, because they don't break the low. So 3 to 9 months, continue to hold on position. The entry was actually here. 1 month trade. 1 month trade, we look at the position weekly, swing weekly. Swing weekly again didn't pull back to my CCI below 100. It did drop below my 10 MA, but don't have the CCI 100, so may not enter lah. Not good risk reward trade. Okay, so even though it goes into the 10 MA, not good risk reward, you may not have entered the trade. 1 week trade. 1 week trade, I don't think got set up. Let's take a look. Oh, have set up. Okay, so you can see the swing setup. That yes, you can see the swing setup. Oh, the price go down, CCI below 100, mark the low, mark the high, mark the high, mark the high. This is the entry. Okay, so there was entry on this candle over here, and then now you should exit already. Yes or no? 1, 2, 3, 4 candle already. You should exit if you are doing a 1 week trade. Got it? Okay. Type yes if you all understand the long-term thing. Okay. Next one is we have SNTI. STI remain uptrend. Okay, nothing much. Right now we are above 50%. I mentioned previously. In terms of value part, no longer value lah. Okay, hopefully one day you can go to this side lah. Okay, this side of the chart. Okay. STI, don't trade. Don't look at 3 months trade. Don't look at 1 week trade. Okay, STI basically just to buy for long term. Okay, that will be the. Don't even good for position weekly. Okay, basically just hang on and buy value lah. Okay, so right now it's no longer value. Got it? Okay, that will be STI. Hang Seng have not that big move up yet, but it's have a nice pulling back. Yes or no? But yes, you can see. Okay, pull back, get ready. Candlestick are short. This is good sign. Yes or no? That yes, if you agree, candlestick are short. My MA is getting in. This one, the CCI below 100. I have my MA also supported by my CCI. That yes, if you can see. So right now is the get ready stage. Okay. So how to trigger? When price break below the week high, that will be the trigger for 10 MA. 10 MA break trigger, that will be a swing high. You can trade for how long? Once you enter, you can trade for how long? About 1 month. Very good. About 1 month trade, that will be the position. Risk reward is pretty good. Okay, so if you enter already, let's say enter over here, my risk reward, you can start slightly below here. There will be a stop loss. Okay, so there will be a 1 month trade, 1 week trade, nothing much. I think 1 week trade. Don't do swing daily on Hang Seng STI lah. Okay, so don't trade swing weekly on Hang Seng lah, because quite noisy. Okay, shortest time frame will be swing weekly. Okay, that's a shorter time frame. Ticker for HSI is 2800 2802. Yes or no? Anyone got any other ticker? Actually, very easy, guys. You all just go and Google can already. Yes or no? Let's go and Google can already. Can you DCA? Yes, you can DCA easier. No need to type. Okay, don't need to type. Okay, finish all the markets already. Any other markets? Take a look. Before that, you all got any question on the index, including the time frame you are not familiar with? Like you say, Collin, is time frame, and so far all the index, you all have a clear picture whether it's uptrend, downtrend, sideways trend. That good if you all understand the index, like short term, medium, long term, different index, what is the trend, everything. Okay, there is no conflict. Okay, no conflict. You must in your mind have no conflict in terms of all the different time frame. Okay, so DCA for how long? DCA for at least 1 year lah. Okay, at least 1 year. Okay, so now let's go to 2800 A50. A50 will look similar to the Hang Seng. Okay, will look similar to Hang Seng. You have the weekly swing setup. Okay, same thing. Okay, this side didn't drop below 100, but I think never mind lah. It's still a setup. Okay, in my opinion, this is a pullback. This is the get ready lah. Okay, do you all agree, guys? Do you all agree this is a pullback and then this is a get ready? Okay, and then you can swing for 1 month also. Okay, that will be the trade. Okay, so after this, let's do a advertisement time right now. Type in the chat box why people of the public think that they should join SMT. Why they should join SMT? Clarity, Stanley, I like clarity. Why they should join SMT? Because we print money, very good way. What's that? Why Hong? Thank you. Why Hong? I took profit last night for BTC. Okay, thank you. Okay, community. Okay, community. Discipline. Okay, objective insight, entry and exit of the market. Okay, thank you, Peter. Good to speak to you just now, Peter. Okay, what? Okay, transformational. Thank you, Ange. Okay, Jimmy. Community learning is 什么啊 ？KET 是什么意思 ？KET. Okay, systematic. Thank you, Mark. Okay, consistency, great support system, skill. No emotional trading. Guidance, MEE interesting, lesser FOMO, consistency, filter through information without over. Do you agree that sometimes it's not about lack of information? Yes or no? It's really too much information. How do you streamline everything to know what to do? Like now I want to do, what should I do today? You know, whether it's long-term investing, whether it's short-term trading, what to do. I think that is important. So thank you, Ashwin. Like good durian, Bao Jia. Wow, thank you, Ron. Okay, can't think of a reason not to join. Wow, thank you. Okay, so great teaching, straightforward, simple to follow. Collin meet us every week, except on leave. I'm going to be on leave soon again. Okay, fun, what? Okay, good system. Okay, so for those people that want to join our SMT, go to this link called CollinSeow.com/SWB to find out how you can be part of our SMT community. Okay, we will do about 2 hours preview of what is this SMT community about. We have a 4 days training followed by our weekly webinar. Okay, our testimony is good. Okay, just recently I saw a few good, very good testimony from our graduates. Okay, so if you want, you can go to our Facebook group. This is the graduates group. We have 6,500 graduates group, but we do have a public group. Public group is over here. Collin Seow Profitable Stocks over here. You can search under testimony and search under the most recent one. We have quite a few recent one that is very good. Okay, this one November testimony November one. Okay, Dennis. Okay, 27 October. Records over here. 60% annualized return, 1,700%. Gerald, these are some of the wins. Collin, this one quite good. Seow, okay, we are here. I want to do a video interview with you. You have time. Okay, the estimated profit 320,000. Over here, I would think there was another one. Okay, there's another one below here, cannot see. Okay, 320,000. Corinne, I spoke to her, asked her to do video testimony. She said very shy. Never mind. Next time, not shy, then do. Okay, 142,000 for gold profit and 230,000 for stock profit. Okay, and then more. Okay, you all got time, you all can go through. Okay, all these are the recent testimony. Okay, by the way, for those people who have testimony, who have good results, okay, or even you feel that you just make it a cost fee, okay, can you all do me a favor? Write your testimony in the public Facebook group, okay? Public Facebook group. Just write a testimony of what you have experienced through, okay? Write factual things, okay? Don't need to over exaggerate your profit. Just write factual things, what you learned, how you benefited, things, right? Yeah, just write a testimony over there. I will really appreciate you for doing that. My team will be greatly appreciate you for doing that, for writing a testimony. Okay, for those people who are not in the community, you can go to this group called Collin Seow Profitable Stocks, Collin Seow Profitable Trading Ideas in US. Then you can search on testimony. All the testimony are there. Okay. If not, then let me share with you all one thing today. Okay. Share you all one thing today. I feel is not 100% related to trading, but I feel it's something that is important. Okay. Which is this. How many of y'all here set goals in your life? Type me if you set goals. Okay, everyone of you set goals, right? Okay, today got someone asked me like, Collin, when you set goals, sometimes it get very what's the purpose of setting goals? Because the goals make us feel that we are always catching something and we always it's always out of reach. Okay, like example, you set a goal, I want to make how much money this year, and then let's say example, you very lucky you hit your goal. Then next year you will set a higher goal. Yes or no? You said maybe next year I should make a little bit more, 10% more. Then beginning of the year you feel very sian already. Yes or no? Because last year you worked very hard to trade, to invest, to work hard and hit that goal for the year. Then when the beginning of the year, the same goal again, but now 10% more. You have a feeling that, wow, got to work hard again for the whole year and then plus 10% more. How many have this feeling? Like me, you have this feeling. Like you set a goal already, you may hit your goal, you may not hit your goal, but you set another new goal again and say, wow, got to go through the whole pain again, and now that 10% more. Okay, so it is not fun. Then the goal become demotivating for you. That yes, if you agree, the goal doesn't help you. Yes or no? It makes you very, I rather don't set goal. Okay, so what is the thinking process of this and how it relates to trading also? Let's say you set a goal, things that you can control. Everybody type in process goal. Type in process goal. Things that you can control in your trade. Okay, like putting your stop loss, putting an entry price correctly, hitting your target price is what we call process goals. So even if you set process goals, right, in your life, I want to do how many trades so year, out of the how many trades I want to make, how much profit. These are result goals, but process goals are something you can control. Yes or no? Something you can control. Setting out a trade plan, writing a trade journal are things that you can control. But how do you become not demotivated in the beginning of the year? Because beginning of the year, next year, right? Then you set the same process goal already. You make it, wow, last year I trade 600 trade. I make this profit, but this year I got to increase this profit. I feel very demotivated. So how do you do it? Even though if it's measurable and realistic, it is still tiring. Do you all follow what I'm saying? So the way to think about it is goals, right, guys? Goals is not what you want. See, like example, you set a goal, whatever goal you want to have, this is not what you really want. Okay? But as you move towards the goal, let's say, example, you want to be a good trader, you want to do how many trades in a year. As you move towards this goal, you become more disciplined. You become manage your trade better. You become a better trader. You learn how to control your emotion. The result of hitting that goal you change this person that you are moving. Do you all follow what I'm saying? You become a changed person. This is what we call a precession of moving towards that goal. That yes, if you all understand. Okay, it's a precession thing that move against your goal. So in reality, it is not the number that you want, whether it's 100,000, 200,000, 50,000, $5. It is not the number. Whether you hit 100,000, you hit 99,000 or 200,000 does not matter. But it's the process of hitting that goal that you change your character. Do you follow what I'm saying? This is actually what we really want in life. Do you follow what I'm saying? But we cannot use these goals. I want to manage my emotion better as the goal. That yes, if you understand, I want to manage my emotion better. Then how to move towards that? Manage your emotion? Cannot. Yes or no? This is not a goal. This is a result of hitting the goal. So certain things are precessional. Do you follow what I'm saying? That yes, if you understand, numbers, all these things is the goal. But as you move toward things, the precessional effect is what we want. But you cannot shift your precessional goal into become the objective that you want. Do you all follow what I'm saying? That yes, if you understand right now. So whatever is it, income goal or whatever, I want to make this amount of income, you become a changed person as you move towards that income. I want to be healthier, this particular week. You become a changed person as you move towards this goal. But you cannot just put, I want to be healthy as the goal. Do you follow what I'm saying? You need to set a certain number, focus on number, but as you move towards that, your precessional change. So does it really matter whether you set a goal 100,000 and you need 90,000 or you hit 120,000? Does it matter or not? That yes or no? The answer is yes, it matters when you are chasing the goal. When you are chasing the goal, you must believe that everything is within your control to chase the goal. That's why you can change. Do you all follow what I'm saying? While you are chasing the goal is important because you want to be, you want to build grit, you want to be tenacious so that you can hit the goal. Yes or no? When you are hitting the goal. After that, after the hump, is it important? No, it is not important. Whether you 10% miss or 5% miss or 1% does not matter because this is what you really want. Do you all understand what I'm talking about? That yes, if you understand. By the way, this is got to apply to trading, got to do with life, is the same thing. So at the end of the day, whether it's your working KPI or whether it's your health or whether it's your money, have this mindset. Yes, it's important to set a goal, but goal is not the thing that is you want. The thing that you want really is the changed person that you really want as a result of moving towards that goal. And you want to do it as if everything, the effort is 100% within your control. It means you do everything you can to strive towards that goal. As a result, change a person. But at the end of the day, totally detached from the results. But yes, if you understand that distinction. By the way, that yes, if you can see a distinction or you can see, okay. So then when you realize that already, then you say, actually the goal itself is not so important. Yes or no? Because it's the changed person that you really want. Okay? What are the advantage of this? When you do like that, number one, you will not be demotivated because every year you know that this is not the important thing, this is the important thing, you know that. Number two, you have a point to aim. You cannot shift all this, I want to manage my emotion better as your goal. That yes, if you understand how to manage your emotion better, cannot. You need to have it as a result. Then you will have it. Everything that you want is precessional. So this have to do with things. Okay, so next question, Collin. How do we achieve our goal? Like me, if you want to know, Collin, at the end of the day, is it being more disciplined? Is it being more how many things is discipline? Like me, you think it's discipline. Like being more disciplined. Collin, and then be more disciplined. Okay? I am the most not disciplined person. Okay? So discipline is overrated. Okay? That yes, if you understand. Discipline is overrated. Okay, what you really want is to form a habit. Everybody type in habit. Form a habit. Do you need to be disciplined to brush your teeth? No need lah. I hope lah. Don't need to be disciplined to brush your teeth lah. Okay, you become so often already. You don't brush your teeth at night. You feel like, hey, better go brush your teeth by sleep. Yes or not? Because it formed into a habit. Do you all follow what I'm saying? Okay, so discipline is very hard. Yes or not? Everyday discipline is very difficult. But if you understand, at the end of the day, all I need to do is to build a habit. And after what initially I need to sow the habit. I need to be disciplined to create a habit. But after a while, it becomes the habit help me. Got it? Habit help me. So forget about discipline. Learn to create a habit, a good habit in your life. Like let's say, example, we want to trade well, then you must know what the good habits of a good trader. You want to be healthy. What are the good habit of being a healthy person? Exercise, sleep, eat well. Yes or not? So these are the habit that you can form. The how-to is actually easy, but now is how to create that habit that will help you to achieve the goal that you want. Again, doesn't apply to trading, only to apply to trading, but really from there, you can help you to become a different person. Okay, so for everyone, right now, action point, write down what are the things for next year. Example, what are the things you want to go, what is your goal in life next year? Whether is it finance, whether is it health, whether is it whatever area, write down. And then later part, write down what are the habits you have to do. Okay, and for the next 1 month, okay, just stick to that habit. Okay, one more question is, Collin, how to build a habit? Because it's difficult, right, to build a habit, yes or no? So what you do is you latch on. Okay, you latch on existing habit. Let's say, example, you always drink coffee before you go out. Example, then you just find in your whole life what are the habits that you have, and try to link the new habit to the old one. Do you follow what I'm saying? Let's say, example, you always drink coffee while reading a newspaper. Then before that, you can choose to link a new habit to your old habit. Do you follow what I'm saying? Or maybe Saturday morning, you always go for a walk or something like that. Then you use that to latch on to that new habit. Do you all follow what I'm saying? But yes, if you understand. I haven't read Atomic Habits, okay, but I think some similar, okay? Okay, so this is what you do, okay? So yeah, so bottom line, guys, don't make excuse, or you either get result or make excuse. At the end of the day, everybody say, Collin, I wish I got bought Bitcoin, I wish I do. Don't make excuses. The buck stop here, okay? So you decide that what you want to do, what you want to achieve. The goal is to help you to move to become a changed person, form correct habit, and move towards that goal. I hope this can help you, not just in terms of trading, making more money, but also to help you to transform your life. Yes or no? Okay, if every week we have a little motivation, a little way to become better, every week we a bit better, right? Then over time, the compound interest will help you to achieve the goal. Do you follow what I'm saying? I hope like a session like this, we start talking about money, we start talking about where the market is going, also use it to change your life. Okay, so that is the lesson I will share with you all today. Okay, one more thing. Okay, I think public is still open, but it doesn't matter. Our community for the past many years, it has been the trading GPS software, the masterclass, and things like that. Next year, we're going to do some changes. Okay, we're going to have more face-to-face training, face-to-face interaction. How many think this is a good idea? Like good, okay? Because COVID, sometimes habit already. Everybody do Zoom. It's good to do Zoom, but we really sometimes need to face-to-face. Values must sometimes not be taught. Taught means say talk to you like that. This is taught, okay? But sometimes need to be caught, okay? It means need to see it in action, okay? So next year we will have live training, face-to-face training, and also right now the relationship most of the time is with me. Yes or not? All how many of y'all right now? 539 of y'all is the connection is with me, but not very strong because the relationship is not cross. So when we have live session and things like that, then maybe y'all can form your accountability group, your to encourage one another to move towards better future, right? Then your relationship become cross one another. Do you all follow what I'm saying? That yes, if you understand. So then the network becomes stronger, or each of us can become better, not just as a result of relationship with me, but also relationship with other. Hey, let's form a WhatsApp group. Like those people in the retreat, I hope you are still doing the thing, right? You all can build stronger ties and help everybody become more accountable to achieve the goal that you want. Okay? So a question, is it only in Singapore? For the moment. Okay, for the moment. By the way, type in the chat box where you're from. Either Hong Kong, Singapore. I think Singapore, Malaysia will be the next one now. Okay, Bangkok, Singapore. Ronald not around. Japan actually from there. Hi actually. I'm going Japan. End of the year. Okay, Hong Kong. Hong Kong got Vita. Hong Kong only got you only. Okay. Maybe you got Singapore, Malaysia, Hong Kong. Maybe I just visit you lah. Okay. Okay, so I think for the time being it's Singapore lah. Okay. In the future, when we have training, maybe we go into Damien for Aussie. Okay. Maybe we go into Malaysia, maybe into Hong Kong, maybe to Australia even. Okay, by the way, Australia, we are also looking to expand to Australia also. Damien, just to let you know. Okay, so potentially next year we will be doing more marketing to Australia. Okay, so anyway, this is some of the outlook next year. Okay, Michael's from Sydney here. Okay, so that's the outlook next year. The intention again is the same. For me, build the community of this 6,000 over people is not everyone get results, but how to make it as the chance of succeeding in SMT, make it a chance to be as high as possible is to have all this thing, all this support system to force you all to be successful. Do you all follow what I'm saying? That yes, if you understand, Malaysia gang can yum cha. Okay, let me know when I fly down and yum cha with you. Okay. So okay, so this is more of next year lah. More of next year. Okay, so next year we will have two big events. Okay, we have the Kickstart. Okay, the new name for next year's Kickstart event is called Kickstart 2025. Okay, and it will be on the 11th of January. Everybody type in Kickstart 11 January. Please keep that day free. Okay, we invite everybody. Likelihood we will have breakfast. Before that, free breakfast. Okay, before that, and then after that we will do our sharing session. Hopefully get some good speakers, and then 2025 outlook again. Okay, and then that will be, so we have two big events that we will do, and then maybe other two smaller training that we will do in between, which is offline one. So these are things that are planned for next year. Okay, finish. Same venue, NTUC Auditorium. Okay, NTUC Auditorium. Okay, if not, then public, thanks. Please like and share the post. I forgot to mention, please like and share the post. Now public, very little people engagement, only 84 people. But soon we will also be doing don't know when okay, we're doing TikTok live and Instagram live, maybe on TikTok. We will see how to do it. Okay. So the event will be on the 11th January. Will be at NTUC Auditorium. Must register first. Because usually the place will be too many. Okay, so look out for the announcement. Okay, look out for the announcement. Okay, if not, then let's say bye to the public. We still got things that we want to cover later. Okay, say bye to the public. Public, hope that you can join us in our community. Join the 535 of them in the group. Okay, if not, then thank you very much. Let's move to the our call right now.